Crystal Group has a relentless focus on three facets of our business. One is a focus on the customer, second is a focus on quality, and third is a focus on speed. So Crystal Group is currently deployed all the way from the International Space Station down to the U.S. and Allied submarine fleets, and really every environment in between, whether it be a wide-body aircraft, ground mobile applications, sea-based on ships, submarines, deployed in communication systems, intelligence systems, surveillance, reconnaissance, areas where that computer equipment has to work for the warfighter to complete their mission. Like the military market, our industrial market also requires computers to survive higher levels of vibration, temperature, sand, and dust. And so there would be areas like energy exploration, power distribution, power generation, mobile communications, mobile cellular. The process starts with a requirements capture by one of our dedicated business development managers.
We listen to our customers and really work to understand what they're trying to do and come up with a solution for their application. Then we come up with a product that truly meets their needs, both in performance and reliability.
We realize that the military market is always adapting. So many times Northrop Grumman, as an example, has come to Crystal Group to develop custom solutions because they're not able to find it anywhere in the marketplace, and if they do, it's not nearly as capable. Of course, we've got the engineering staff and the great operations team that can make it happen.
We have a culture of relentless focus on the customer. We have a culture of innovative design and development. We really are stellar at systems engineering. We don't want to be just a supplier. We want to help customers become successful.
We have the capability to design in-house chassis, custom size, shape, weight to meet the customer's requirements, design power supplies that give them the power that they need and the certifications that they need for their particular application. That's what separates Crystal Group from the pack, is the fact that we have those capabilities designed to meet the customer's exact requirements and give them exactly what they want. At Crystal Group, we're fortunate to have a very, very good relationship with our production team. The engineers and the technicians down on the line work hand in hand, and in some cases daily, if not hourly.
Here at Crystal Group, we're very vertically integrated. We are much different than other organizations where we try to keep everything in-house rather than outsource it. It gives us more control, more quality. Our CNC machining center is probably the biggest and busiest work center that we have in the factory. So those guys are busy. We're continually adding people. It's very high mix, a low volume, so it's very challenging for them.
With technology changing all the time, we have to stay on top of it. We have to make sure that we keep up with our customers' demands. We have our own SMD line here in the factory that allows us to build our own drive carrier PCBs, power filters. We work with companies to make sure that we stay on their embedded roadmap. We make sure that we use their longest life product. So when a customer calls us and they have a need for a new computer, we're not surprising them with, oh, we can't build that anymore. Here's something that's a close approximation. We want to let them know ahead of time.
We have multiple processes in place that start, end, and center around what the customer wants, what they need, and most importantly, what the customer is expecting to do with the solution we provide them. At Crystal, we internalize that we understand that what we produce has to work for the customer every time. And that's something that we understand from the very top, the president of the company, all the way down to the folks that produce the units and ship them out and test them.
All products at Crystal Group are 100% tested by multiple people. We get the bare bones system, build it up as customer needs, specific processor, RAM, hard drive. We install this all into a custom chassis. Once we have everything put in the system and it's good to go, we put in the test rack and run through everything. Do a 24-hour burn-in, make sure all components are working properly as they should.
We're selecting components for our products. They have to be the absolute best. They have to be the highest performing, the most reliable components that are available because of the environments that our products are going in. They have to perform each and every time. They cannot fail in the field, or there could be lives at risk.
While we produce a high reliable product, sometimes the customer does need to call in and get questions answered. And that happens through our tech support group. who do an outstanding job of supporting the customer.
At Crystal Group, we're available to support our customers 24/7, 365. We try to make it feel to our customers as though they're working with the people in the office next door. They can contact us directly for product RMA support, answering technical questions from drivers to specific installation types. Here at Crystal Support, we focus on our customers' needs and our customers' goals prior to focusing on our bottom line.
Crystal Group set apart because of our quality. We don't let anything go out of here that does not meet our quality standards.
I believe we're the most trusted provider because we have a proven track record of the products that we put out in really harsh, high reliability environments.
Every single day, all of the folks from top to bottom focus on providing the customer the solutions they need, the speed that they want, the flexibility with the high quality and reliability they expect.
Many of our customers came to us because they were purchasing commercial servers that would fail after a couple of months. They had gotten into the habit of just replacing them, and now with Crystal servers, they know that they'll last in the field.
I think Crystal Group has done a good job of earning customers' trust. We are a consistent performer, we're constantly delivering on our promises, and we very rarely, if ever, don't meet or exceed expectations.
Every person in this building has a commitment to doing the right thing, whether that be from a quality perspective or from providing a proper technical solution. We're not going to field something that doesn't work, and we're not going to field something that doesn't meet the customer's requirements.
It's really about communication and partnership. And that's one of the main differences between Crystal Group and really our competitors. We try to create that partnership early, work well with the customer.
We're the most trusted provider in the industry because of our focus on the customer and making sure that their needs, their wants come first. And all the energies, all the resources of the company are put to making that customer successful.